Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. Want to make your text flow like water? I'll show you every step in Canva. Click Create, select Custom Size, then enter the dimensions using the Ranger by Ranger TX tool. Next, open Elements and enter FrameMaker in the search bar. Select the FrameMaker template to begin creating your project layout efficiently and accurately. Select the text and choose the wave effect. Adjust the letter spacing to your preference. When satisfied, click the Add button to apply the effect. This will create a wave animation with spaced letters, enhancing your text visual impact. Proceed to customize further as needed for your project. First, move this panel out of the way. Then, click back to the sidebar. Here, you will find the options needed to proceed with your current task within the software interface. Resize the object by clicking and dragging its corner to make it smaller. Next, navigate to the Elements panel to access and manipulate the different components of your project. Next, set the playback time for your video. Click on the playback time field to enter a specific time, or use the slider to navigate to your desired moment. This allows you to preview or edit at an exact point in the timeline. Adjust the time as needed to review your content carefully. Once you have chosen the correct playback time, confirm your selection to continue with further editing or sharing options in the software. This ensures precise control over your video timeline. Let's search for the effect here. Add the water effect by dragging it onto the mockup text. Position it carefully to enhance the design with the desired visual impact. Open the image editor and navigate to the background options. Type C in the search bar to find C-themed backgrounds. Browse the available images and select the one that best fits your project. Click to apply the C background to your workspace. Adjust the size and position as needed for a perfect look. Save your changes when finished. Go to the Pool Background search to find options. The color matches the text, making it appear as just a background. Locate this background element and set its position to the back. This ensures the text remains prominent and easy to read. Use the Arrange or Layer options to move the background behind all other elements. Confirm the adjustment by checking that the text stands out clearly against the background. This technique improves visual clarity and maintains a clean, professional design layout for your project. Add drop. Select the audio track, then open the Effects menu. Choose the Echo effect to apply it to your audio. Adjust the settings as needed to create the desired echo sound. Preview the changes before finalizing the effect. Now, preview your final result by sharing it via WhatsApp to see how it appears before sending it to your contacts. Click Share, then Download. Next, select Priority to enable hidden download options for your file. Now you know how to create liquid text animations in Canva Smash. That like button and subscribe for more cool tips.